Hello friends, I am here with 15 MCQs on Bihar state polity. It may be important for BPSC. So first question is, how many seats are reserved for scheduled caste SC in Bihar Legislative Assembly? Option A 38, B 40, C 44, D more than one of the above. Answer is 38. Out of the 243 assembly constituencies in Bihar, 38 seats are reserved for SC candidates, while 2 are reserved for STs, and as per the Delimitation Commission under the Delimitation Act 2002. So Delimitation Act is also important, which was passed in 2002. Question number 2. In which year was the state of Bihar recognized after creation of Jharkhand? Options A 1999, B 2000, C 2001, D 2002. Answer is 2000. That is the option B. The state was restructured and Jharkhand was separated from Bihar in the year 2000. Question number 3. In which year was Maithili language included in the 8th schedule of the Indian Constitution? Options are A 2001, B 2002, C 2003, and D 2004. Answer is 2003. That is the option C. Maithili was added to the 8th schedule in 2003, granting it recognition for official and educational use. Question number 4. Who was the chairman of the Constituent Assembly of India? Options A Jawaharlal Nehru, B K.M. Munshi, C B.R. Ambedkar, D Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Answer is D Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Dr. Rajendra Prasad served as the chairman of the Constituent Assembly, overseeing the framing of the Constitution. Question number 5. Who is the chairman of Interstate Council? A. Chief Minister of the largest state, B. Union Home Minister, C. Prime Minister, D. Vice President. Answer is C. Option C. Prime Minister. The Interstate Council established under the Article 263 of the Constitution. It is also important, 263 article of the Constitution, and via Presidential Order 1990, based on the Sarkaria Commission's recommendations, is headed by the Prime Minister. So here are so many informations. That is, State Council was established under the Article 263 of the Constitution. First information. Second, it is via Presidential Order 1990, which was based on Sarkaria Commission's recommendations. So third information, it is headed by the Prime Minister. So it is very important. Question number 6. From which country's constitution did India adopt the idea of concurrent list? Options A USA, B France, C Australia, D Britain. Answer is C Australia. The concurrent list in India's constitution, India's 7th schedule, is inspired by the Australian constitution. So concurrent list is in the 7th schedule of Indian Constitution, which reflect the shared legislative powers. Concurrent list shows the shared legislative power between center and the state. Question number 7. Which President of India served 2 terms in office? A. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, B. V.V. Giri, C. Rajendra Prasad, D. Shankar Dayal Sharma. Answer is A. Answer is C. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Dr. Rajendra Prasad is the only president of India to have served 2 terms. Question number 8. Which schedule of the Indian Constitution specifies the function of municipalities? Options A 8th, B 9th, C 11th, and D 12th. Answer is 12th schedule. That is D. The 12th schedule introduced under the 74th constitutional amendment. Again, 2 informations are here. Details 18 functional areas of municipal governance. So here one question carries 2 or 3 information. So very important MCQs are these. Question number 9. Who is the Supreme Commander of the Armed Forces in India? Options A, President, B, Prime Minister, C, the Home Minister, D, the Defense Minister. Answer is A, the President. As per Article 53, article should be remembered. As per Article 53, the President is the Supreme Commander of India's Defense Forces, although executive functions are exercised on the advice of the Cabinet. Next question, number 10. What is the total number of MPs in the Lok Sabha? Options A 543, B 534, C 554, and D 527. Answer is A 543. The Lok Sabha comprises 543 members. Out of them, 530 are elected from states and 13 from union territories. Again, more information. Question number 11. Which institutions' features have been borrowed by Indian Constitution from the USA? Options A, rule of law, B, fundamental rights, C, rigid constitution, D, directive principles of the state policy. Answer is A, fundamental rights. Fundamental rights in the Indian constitutions are derived from the US Constitution. Question number 12. The motto Satyameva Jayate under the national emblem is taken from which ancient text? Options A, Bhagavad Gita, B, Rig Veda, and others, Samveda, C, and D is Atharva Veda. Answer is B, Rig Veda. Satyameva Jayate is a phrase from the Rig Veda adopted as India's national motto. Question number 13. General polity question is this. Which question type in Parliament does not require a written answer? Option A, starred question, B, unstarred question, C, short notice, D, none of the above. Answer is A, starred question. Starred questions demand oral answers and supplementary queries, whereas unstarred ones are answered in writing. Again, it is informative. Question number 14. It is also from general polity. In what year was the first no confidence motion moved in Lok Sabha? Here options are not specified, so I am giving the answer. For such specific answer are written in parliamentary records, so it is not specific. Question number 15. Polity borrowing. What constitution feature was adopted from Australia besides the concurrent list? Answer is joint seating of the 2 houses, that is parliament. India also borrowed the provision for joint seating of both houses of parliament from the Australian constitution. So if you like the video, please subscribe my channel and share it with your friends.